Amalina, welcome to our home! My vision when looking for lights for my home is to have a cozy and warm ambience throughout the house actually. So we chose different colours of lighting for different times of the day. So like at night we tend to switch on the warm colours so that it's a bit more dim and more comfortable for everyone and everyone's ready for bed. My biggest concern when looking for lights is making sure that they fit the theme of my house, because our house has more of a minimalist yet classy kind of theme. We're looking for something that is not too too bold or too colorful. We use a lot of whites and touches of gold everywhere, so we had to make sure that everything fit within the theme of the house. So I chose light makers for our house because I know that they have a wide range of lights. And also because I personally know Rachel and she is someone that I can trust with the finishes of my house.
Hi guys, I'm Rachel from Lightmakers. When Amalina and her husband reached out to us, it was great that they had a very clear vision, a clear idea as to what they want in terms of the design themes, the interior look that they wanted. So it was pretty straightforward for us to craft out a lighting proposal that fits their theme and meets their needs ultimately.
For the living spaces, we just wanted lights that were clean and simple, minimalist, but with a touch of gold. So that's how we have all these downlights. And then for the kitchen, because I spend a lot of time there now that I have to cook, right? So it was important for me to have that that LED light strip at the pantry area, because for example, if I need to prepare something at night, like I don't want to switch on all the bright lights and all that.
So when she came to us, I told her, if you're hosting friends and families, places like the living room is going to be very critical. You want to have a nice pendant to really elevates the interior theme, because it's a place where you host guests, loved ones as well. So you want it to speak volume of this theme that you have in mind for your own home actually. So most of the downlights in Singapore are generally white or black finish. So one of the things that our client here wanted rose gold. So if you can see that there's rose gold rings that is attached to a downlight. So only she wants it, so we got it for her.
Yeah, I didn't know there was only one black. Yeah. So I guess that's the special part of the downlight that we had from light makers. Okay, I'm generally very happy and satisfied with how my home turned out with the lighting fixtures from light maker. And once I truly live in it, then I realized the importance of lighting. So I think in general, light makers has been very helpful in my journey in my home renovation. Thanks.
You just fart.
Brother,
Hi, my name's Amir and I'm 6 years old.
What do you think of the lights in our house?
Good, and my mother is also 32 years old.